Your move, creep.
Robocop and the Terminator don't always see eye to eye, but if it's one thing they can agree on, it's movie night, with popcorn and their favorite film, Alien vs. Predator.
I freaking love this film.
If you want to know how to make these popcorn miniatures yourself, sit back and relax. The link to this printable template is in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with everything miniature. The basic tools you'll need to make your miniatures are a cutting mat, some matte acrylic sealant, a ruler, glue, some microwave popcorn, and of course, an exacto blade. Step 1. Print the template on 110-pound cardstock. Then, gently score the paper along all the lines shown. Scoring the semicircle at the top will help you create a realistic-looking rim to your bucket. Once that's done, simply cut out the template. Step 2. Pinch the paper like you would a friend or a loved one. Fold the rim over with your fingers, then flatten it out. No glue is required. Science will hold the rim in place. Mold the bucket into shape with your fingers and apply glue to the tab in the back. Continue to use your fingers to mold the paper. Next, fold the tabs on the bottom of the bucket and apply glue. Then, use your exacto blade to place it inside the bucket, and use your fingers on the inside and out to ensure a level bottom. Step 3. Wait till the one you love is sleeping. Then wake them up, and ask to use beads from their jewelry making set. This step is optional, but I find that gluing something inside the bucket gives it a nice weight and sense of realism. Next, take the top of the bucket, bend the tabs up, and apply glue. Same as before, use your exacto blade and place it inside. Then use your fingers to level out the top. Step 4. Put on your favorite movie. No, not this crap. Yeah, Batman 1989, baby. God's gift to humanity. Now that you're in the mood, rummage through your cabinets till you find the microwave popcorn hiding in the back. Don't stop till you find it. It's gotta be in there somewhere. Next, use some aluminum foil with some paper towel and crush the popcorn with a blunt, everyday object. Remember, be like Batman here. Stay focused on the goal. Next, apply glue to the inside of the bucket and begin layering in the popcorn. I recommend dipping the bucket into the tinier popcorn kernels for the final layer and using the exacto blade to apply finishing touches and fill in any gaps. Once you're happy with the way it looks, spray it with some matte acrylic sealant, but don't spray it indoors. It's toxic and bad for your health. If you like these DIY tutorials or watching a grown man play with action figures, subscribe now and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with everything miniature.